In this short video tutorial, we will understand about the structure of the web page. So when you start learning the HTML tags, you need to also understand or learn that in which part of the HTML page you can use that tag. Now, the very first tag that you write when you create an HTML web page is the HTML tag itself. So the HTML tag marks the starting and the ending of the web page. So this is the starting HTML tag. This is the ending HTML tag, which has the less than symbol followed by a forward slash. Now you can call the HTML web page as an HTML document also. So the HTML tag will mark the starting and the ending of the HTML document. Now every HTML document will be divided into two parts. One is the head of the HTML document, and the second is the body of the HTML document. Now, the head of the HTML document will contain information that is mostly for the browser or for search engines. So the information that we write inside the head tag is mostly not for the human eye. It is always for the browser or for the search engine. But the information that we write in the body section of the HTML document is meant for the user. So it is visible to the user. Whatever we write in the body section is always visible to the user. So this is the structure of an HTML document. It is marked by the HTML tags, the starting and the ending, and it has two parts. One is the head and the second one is the body tag. So in the coming videos, when we will discuss about the HTML tags, we will first talk about the tags which we use in the head section, and then we will talk about the tags that we use in the body section. So I hope with this video you have understood about the basic structure of the HTML web page or the HTML document. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.